HVAC airflow patterns in cleanroom design. Presented by Learn GMP Incorporated in collaboration with technical training and consultation service. Overview. Effective air distribution must align with the cleanroom classification, as improperly controlled airflow can cause reentrainment of particulates from surfaces into the air, compromising sterility and GMP compliance. Influencing factors of air turbulence. Grill placement. Supply and return grill locations critically impact flow uniformity. Traffic patterns. Personnel movement disturbs airflow symmetry. Process equipment layout. Obstructions can cause eddies and localized turbulence. Design strategies for airflow control and pressure gradients. Cleanroom class. Class 100, ISO 5. Recommended airflow type. Unidirectional, laminar. Velocity standard. 90 fpm plus or minus 20, almost equals 0.45 m/s. Filter arrangement. 100% HEPA in ceiling or wall. Return strategy. Return on opposite side. Cleanroom class. Laminar workstation. Recommended airflow type. Vertical downflow. Velocity standard. Greater than or equal to 0.3 meters per second, EC standard. Filter arrangement. Source directly above. Return strategy. Clear path to work zone required. Cleanroom class. Horizontal workstation. Recommended airflow type. Laminar horizontal flow. Velocity standard. Greater than or equal to 0.45 meters per second. Filter arrangement. Outlet aligned with work area. Return strategy. Avoid obstacles in flow path. Cleanroom class. Class 1000 plus, ISO 6 plus. Recommended airflow type. Non-unidirectional flow. Velocity standard. Based on room load, not fixed. Filter arrangement. Ceiling supply, floor return. Return strategy. Maintain zonal pressure cascade. Clean zones should receive higher airflow volumes than adjacent spaces to ensure elevated pressure gradients. Reduced risk of cross-contamination. Defined containment barriers between zone. Thanks for watching our channel. Feel free to reach us at contact@learngmp.com for any training and consultation requirements.